forest. At the end of the forest and we are hunt. Look if we see nothing. See it? At the forest with the guys. We are hunting at the forest. See it guys? See it guys? In the forest. We are hunt hard. If we find nothing. But then wild. Guys. In the woodland. We are hunt. Like hell. We don't shoot nothing yet. But still upon it. You know? One and two boom bang. See if we catch something. We still have hook up. Guys. See? Guys in there. Still a hunt guys. This morning. A hunt. You see them guys? See them? We're hunting. Hunting a lot. Yes guys. We are going with the self, you know. We don't buck up on nothing yet. We're still up on the hunting. What's on my face? Highly. I sweat. Guys. We're up on the hunting. We're not a fish we hunt. A bird. So, we're up on the hunting guys. Guys, so let me shoot one. Charge it, shoot one. Hold him up there now, charge it. Yeah. Let me shoot one.
Whole and big tear.
See it? Call him a woodpecker.
Broke him.
Hold up him head, hold up him head there. Hold him head, hold him by him head and hold him up, see?
Hold up, man, didn't pick me.
Afraid of something enough to shoot him. Yeah, see that one woodpecker there, see shoot there? Yes guys. And watch you know, are the same fisherman too, you know. Yeah man, so you see me show some bad pan in shooting.
Man, you catch on no boy.
Look like you would let him go do. Yeah man, see him there guys. So the whole works. You know? See him there? So that's a one feed there. Yeah. See him there? Hold him up now, hold him up now, hold him by him foot now guys. Yes guys, see him there? A woodpecker that one there. You see him? Yeah. So now guys, for the first one that, the second bird this one morning, the general shoot.
Let me see if
yeah man, shooter.
What's one
guys, back on the hunting again. Back on it again. Through the hills and valley. Through the hills and valley. I'm gone, man.
We are going to look like that. Brother, mine make it cheat here down, brother.
General I climb one tree if you go look if bird in one nest. See him there? See there? I want to get fish shown up on a decent angle. Walk go on, you know? See man them in the bush. The general there. That's what so I go on. Bird pick me, I look fine now. Them would have a ball if you mean them, man.
Them in there. You come over here, come here, them in there. Alex, come over here. Oh, yeah, them in there. That you have no trap, them in there.
Yo, come like me, you want tiger come in the dog. Like me, you want tiger to your bush and no yeah. I cut me, I'll place me, I look for run. Come on.
Come in, marble.
Yeah, see no bird. All we are look. The bird them wild and it's true. We are get every heavy wind. And the place, the bush them so dry, that's when you step. As the bird them with their ground and here you step up and just get up and fly. Especially the white wing, white belly. You see all the ball plate them ears clean. As they make a tip. You know, you then get up off out of the tree, zip, 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 and gone. So we have to try to take our own time and screech like a ninja. Because the dry trash them make a lot of noise. But guys, still upon it. You know? Still this remind me of when me there they call it a rockabessa. I catch crab. And we're there in the mangrove them. I look crab. We're there in the bush and hunt. Adventure nice, you know, I love it. Yeah man, so we have got through cool woodland. I step through very scary woodland. Far in the wilderness. And look out if any wild species they through here. I don't know what that is, so I look. See something but I not prolong. Take my body from water so cause the other shooter them gone ahead. So just take time. Come out of this thing. Say yo, my beautiful people, me say we shoot off a one woodpecker little while. And trust me, we shoot off a woodpecker little while. I mean I tell you say me have about 50 stone in my pocket. and me shoot off the whole 50. And the woodpecker now move. How much marble you say you did have now?
70 odd.
And now who you fire off 70 at half?
One woodpecker.
How much stone you did have?
I can't tell you, box.
That's crazy. How much you did have, money?
We have more than 150 marble and 35 stone.
I mean, I tell you, say.
Not 50 marble and
You see bagger? When me have this bagger on my side coil, I tell you, say, it a stretch down your whole of my pants. You half a stone, half a one woodpecker. Jesus, I can't believe it. One woodpecker, and the woodpecker just dip on the limb of heat. Just like every time we bust, him just a slide around that side there, slide around that side there. Run out of stone right now, so I just left him up then I go home. I swear. One woodpecker. Kinda tired now. So guys, I hope you like that little video here. And I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Yeah man. So on the next time, peace. It's a garden. We are out.